Hi, I'm Liz O'Sullivan Winslow. I'm a general dentist and I've been down in the medical center for the past 28 years. I have a lot of patients that come to me and say, why do I need to have my teeth cleaned so frequently? The answer is, we're trying to prevent you from having periodontal disease. What is periodontal disease? Periodontal disease is a serious infection of your gums, which can lead to tooth and bone loss. There are 3 stages of periodontal disease. There's gingivitis, there's periodontitis, and there's advanced periodontitis. Now we can treat your milder forms of perio here at the office by our hygienist with root planing and scaling. Otherwise, we will refer you to a periodontist for perio surgery. Also, we can refer you to a new technique with laser surgery. Should you need any more information about this, please don't hesitate to contact us at 713-795-5905 or at www.drodds.net for a free gift and a library of our videos to answer any concerns of yours. Thank you so much.